Well, today I have brought for you a brand new teaser of an upcoming project, which is Birla Ojasvi in RR Nagar at Uttarahalli in Bengaluru. Now I'm going to tell you a lot more about this project. Stay tuned with me. The total land parcel is of 10 acres and there are going to be total 615 units in the 6 towers that they're going to have, which are going to be of a 33 floor height. Now it's time for me to tell you about the carpet areas. The 1 BHK is going to be of 460 square feet and the price starts from 65 lakhs onwards. The 2 BHK is of 930 to 1400 square feet and the price begins from 1.33 crore onwards. The 3 BHK begins from 1250 square feet to 1280 square feet and the price ranges from 1.83 crore onwards. The next variant of the 3 BHK is of 1360 to 1380 square feet and the price begins from 2.35 crore onwards. Now let's talk about the location highlights. As I told you, this is in RR Nagar. So the RR Nagar metro station is just about 5 minutes distance from here and the outer ring road is just about 15 minutes of distance from the location. Now it's time to discuss the amenities. As I told you that the project is going to be in a 10-acre land parcel with only 6 towers. That means there's going to be ample space for multiple lifestyle amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, jogging track, and also senior citizen sit-out areas, gazebos, kids play areas, and multiple more amenities for you to indulge in. And now let me tell you more about the EOI. So the expression of interest for this project has already begun. Of course, you know the benefits of investing in such a property in the EOI. You get a choice of the unit that you are looking for and also the choice of inventory, choice of floors. And again, there are multiple benefits like you will get priority discounts and priority bookings as well. Now, other than this, what else is more important for you to know is, of course, the amount of the EOI. The EOI begins from 1 lakh rupees for the 1 BHKs and varies for various configurations. Now, I'm sure you want to know more because this has built up the curiosity and I'm sure such teasers do that. So this was just a teaser of the property, and to know more details, all you need to do is simply click on the caption that's mentioned below. In the caption, we have mentioned a link through which our salesperson will immediately get in touch with you and give you all the details of this project and any other project that you want to know, because Property Cloud is here at your service to help you book your dream home. All that you need to do is simply register yourself on our website, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated about all the real estate happenings in your city and across the country and across the globe as well. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.